Conquer the chaos, mastering run-on sentences. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that often trips up even the most advanced English learners. We're diving into the world of run-on sentences. A run-on sentence happens when two or more independent clauses, complete sentences, are joined incorrectly. You can think of them as sentences that just don't know when to stop. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be an expert in identifying and avoiding them. Let's kick off with understanding what a run-on sentence is. A run-on sentence consists of two or more independent clauses that are not separated by proper punctuation or a conjunction. Here's an example. I love pizza, it's my favorite food. As you can see, there are two thoughts or sentences, i.e., I love pizza, and it's my favorite food. However, they are incorrectly fused together without proper punctuation or a conjunction, resulting in a run-on sentence. Now that we know what a run-on sentence is, let's identify the common mistakes we make that result in these unruly sentences. The most frequent mistake is incorrectly joining two independent clauses. This happens when we use a comma, semicolon, winking face, or no punctuation at all when we should be using a period, or a conjunction. For example, consider this sentence. I can't come to the party. I have a test tomorrow. This is a run-on sentence because the two independent clauses are incorrectly separated by a comma. Fixing run-on sentences is quite straightforward. The three main ways to correct a run-on sentence are: 1. Separating independent clauses with a period. For example, I can't come to the party. I have a test tomorrow. 2. Using a comma followed by a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. For example, I can't come to the party, for I have a test tomorrow. 3. Using a semicolon. For example, I can't come to the party. I have a test tomorrow. Remember, the key to avoiding run-on sentences is practice. Keep writing, keep reading, and pay attention to sentence structures. Whenever you're unsure, break down the sentence to identify the independent clauses and verify if they're correctly joined. And that's it. We've demystified run-on sentences together. Remember, proper sentence construction is a vital part of clear and effective communication. With these tools in your belt, you'll be well on your way to mastering English grammar. Keep practicing, and soon, spotting and fixing run-on sentences will be second nature. Until next time, happy learning!